To create a bat wing countertop, we're going to utilize predefined countertop shapes. This will also give us the opportunity to review, link, and combine. So I'm going to move this up, and we're going to start a wall, and remember, point and type. We're going to start, and I'm going to point my wall this direction. I want this 48 inches, enter, come across, 60 inches, enter, and back down at 135 at 48 inches, enter, enter. As you can see, we have what I call a bat wing shape. I'm going to delete these dimension lines so it's easier for you to see. And also, we're going to move this countertop, or pardon me, these walls, and I'm going to work off of this grid line, and by eye, I'm going to set that back about 2 inches. And I set that about 2 inches off of this line. We're going to use this line as a guide along with these miters as guides. Now, for these countertops, we will use this countertop icon, and we are going to go and make sure we're in the right catalog, which will be room tops, and do countertops, double click, and predefined countertops, and you can see that there's a 135 right and a 135 left. So I'm going to drag this over, or double click it and place it. I'll put this countertop here, and a 135 left, double click, I'll place the opposing side here. And now we can close. Before we go farther, I also need to right click on my wall sections, go to properties, and choose the wall group, which is all 3 walls as you can see in the background, and change that height to 40.5 inches, 40.5. And OK. Now, we're going to take this countertop. I'm going to hold down my Control-Shift key, and I'm going to move this into position. I'm aligning on the line, and you see where the miter is opposed to the, or is aligned with the placement zone or the dotted line. Move this over, grab this one, hold down Control-Shift again. Align in the same manner using the 2 points, the mitered and the horizontal grid line. And now we have this shape. This allows us then to link sections, right click, choose this countertop, edit shape, section 1 we want to combine with section 2. Then we can do our shaping, and I'll move this down to about here, and we'll move this line down about this point and escape. One other thing we must do is go to the countertop and choose up and down, and we're going to set that at 40.5 inches. So I'll type in 40, and we'll say OK, and then I will give you an isometric view of this. And that's a step up countertop in a bat wing shape.